Welcome to the tutorial series for NAUTIS Instructor, where we are using the version 3.11 of NAUTIS. We designed it to be simpler, faster and more intuitive, and today we focus on navigational lights. Need to quickly change a vessel status from anchored to underway? It just takes few clicks. To do that, just go to Vessels, choose the right ship and select Underway from the pop-out menu. You can see the lights changing now. You can use the buttons on the left to set the status of the vessel in one click, or click on lights on the right to turn them on and off individually. It's easy to recognize and set the right navigation lights instantly. With this streamlined experience, you can focus fully on delivering your best teaching. Less clicks, more teaching. Discover other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel.